Hi, I'm architect Priyanka Arjun. I am based out of Udaipur. I'm running my firm by the name of Priyanka Arjun and Associates. We are working on different type of projects in different cities across India. Here I'm going to discuss about Jhala's residence, family residence we have done in Udaipur. The good thing about this residence is it is based on a sustainable practice, which has also won Dream Home Award from Indian Concrete Institute. The reason we got the award for this residence is merging age-old practices with new technology to make better building environments. So the client came to us with an image in their mind कि हमें ऐसा घर चाहिए, and we were like, okay. And the second thing they said was कि हमें 6 महीने में घर चाहिए. So then I just looked at them and then we went to the site, and the site is situated it's at the edge of the mountains. So if you see it, it looks more of a farmhouse rather than an individual bungalow. One edge of the site is completely a jungle area. So that is the reason we have kept those big picture windows in dining where the windows are actually touching your ceiling. There is no beam is there. So that is how we created the look. So as even though it is a modern house, but the look is very country house kind of thing. The feeling of home which comes from the elevation of part of it. So here in Udaipur, we get to use lots of stone in masonry. So what we did was that we tried to invent a composite wall wherein we have a brick wall on the inner side and a stone wall on the outer side of the house. So the brick wall, it becomes your internal skin, which takes care of all the electrical wires, all the plumbing and all the necessary services that are required to work in a house. And the outer stone skin, it becomes an insulation to the point that the client's words, they do not have to use AC in summers. And take my word, summers are really fierce in Rajasthan. So apart from the composite skin, there are other sustainable practices, as in we took care of the size of fenestration with respect to the direction the windows are coming on. We also made skylights with ventilation holes so that hot air rises up and goes out of the house. We have also taken care of small things like all the floors should be connected by a cutout. People should not be kept apart just because there is a change in floor. It should not feel like a flat. It should feel like a residence which is connected through sounds, through sight, and you could just call out and make people come to your floor. There are solar energy panels and biodigester septic tank, which makes the running of the house in a very green practice, one can say. Apart from this, I think the pictures tell the whole story. The interiors are done in a very vibrant Rajasthani way with lots of handwork, and artisans have worked on the ceilings. All the furniture is sourced from different places. The interiors was mostly done by our client, Mrs. Jhala, and we had already seen what she was going to put in the house. So we created the spaces around what she already had and by thought that what she was going to get for the house. So in and all, it became a perfect picture house setting in mountains for her, and I'm very happy the clients also love it. And we want that people understand the new idea of making composite walls so that they can make better and intelligent homes. If I talk about the challenges, one thing that I missed saying was this whole house has no false ceiling. So it was in a way a challenge for us, because although we were not deeply working on the interiors, but we had to do all the lighting design prior to casting the RCC, because there was no luxury of putting a false ceiling and wire would come from anywhere and the light can be put. So we did entire lighting design beforehand. And also if you see the central courtyard, it's about 6 to 7 foot of projection we did it without beams. So we made a cantilevered sloping roof in RCC. So there was a lot of challenges that came just by making one decision कि okay हमें false ceiling नहीं करना है. But then we overcame the challenge. जो काम हमें बाद में करना था वो हमने पहले किया. We worked with our RCC consultants also, and then we got a very neat place for them to do, because when you are actually painting on the roof, you would not want to paint on a false ceiling surface. You would rather do it on the actual surface so it stays for years. The hand painting that they have done is going to be there for like 15 years or maybe more. So that was one challenge. And about the materials, as I said, the house, most of the choices that we made regarding this house were very conscious. As in, when we came to selecting the stone for the house, we chose a local white stone that we have like plenty in Udaipur. So all floors are plain white and seamlessly they flow throughout the house. The windows, of course, are UPVC, because aluminium, you cannot have arched windows. So here we went for UPVC, so we could bend it and make the arched windows that you see in the elevation. And that also gives a good resistance to weather and sound again. And we have a glass skylight in there. Most of the furniture is either reclaimed, reused, or it is very old. So it's kind of reduce, reuse principle that is going about. All the textiles are mostly hand printed, block printed, that are in the house. And if I say of the material, even the stones that are used in the elevation, they were हाथ से गढ़ना बोलते हैं उसको, वो हमने साइट पर किया है. उसके बाद जो उसके छोटे छोटे टुकड़े बच गए थे, that also we made a gabion wall in the boundary and उसमें हमने सारा भर दिया. तो साइट का जितना हम मेस कम कर सकते थे, we tried to achieve that as much as possible. And yeah, eventually, since the house of course didn't come about in 6 months, but eventually all the hard work and everything that went into making the house, into going on the site and saying ki, okay, the elevation, the stone has to be this size, you have to randomly make these courses, everything we had to work with the local people, but all that paid off to the level that just a small incident, because I went to do the photo shoot and I was only supposed to introduce the photographer, turn my back and come back, but I think I was there for good 5 to 6 hours. Then I stayed till my clients came back from where they were. We had a bonfire and we had quite a long chit chat, and it feels great when you see the people who are living in the house to be so happy, because they say that they are so content with the house that they would not have wanted anything else. So yeah, that's pure joy for an architect कि हाँ आपने कुछ बनाकर दे दिया और सामने वाला उसको they are going to use it for their lifetime in the best possible way. That is the best part.